Xiaomi has silently been working on the Mi Mix 3, and after the success of Mi Mix 2S, the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 is expected to up with some segment-leading features and powerful hardware specifications under the hood. Moreover, the Mi Mix series is Xiaomi's premium smartphone lineup, and we expect a better design theme with the Xiaomi's Mi Mix 3 as well. Xiaomi has now officially confirmed that the Mi Mix 3 will be launching on October 25, and while the confirmation came through the company's official Weibo account, the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 has also been teased to feature a slide-out design for the front cameras, and it will also be the world's first 5G phone. Plus, it is set to feature 10GB of RAM, that is again industry first. So here is everything you need to know about the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3. Excited? So let's get started. 2 weeks ago, we heard that Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 might eventually arrive on October 15. Since we are already in the second half of the month, the Chinese company technically delivered an announcement. It announced the launch date of the new flagship. The Mi Mix 3 will arrive on October 25, and it appears the sliding mechanism is real, according to the teaser on Weibo. The Mi Mix 3 was initially teased with a Find X-like notch that comes up, but after further investigation, it might be 100% screen-to-body front with a sliding back. There is also the technical possibility that the display is sliding and the back is stationary, depending on your point of view. Depending on the language you read, Xiaomi is either saying that the new Mi Mix 3 will be the world's first 5G commercial mobile phone or one of the world's first 5G smartphone. Xiaomi announced the Mi Mix 3 impending release with 3 promotional posters. A grayscale 5G focused poster initially debuted in Chinese, showing a jet engine above the phrase, "Tomorrow always comes too fast" and "World's first claim." The new teaser also shows 2 red notebooks, one with the word 5G written on it and second one marked with 10G. The letter could depict a presence of 10GB of RAM. If the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 does indeed come with 10GB of RAM, it will be the first device in the world to feature this much memory. The Mi Mix 3 is expected to use Qualcomm Snapdragon X50 5G modem paired somehow with a 2.8 GHz Snapdragon 845 processor. It is believed to feature in-screen fingerprint scanning and comes in at least 4 RAM and storage configuration, starting with 6GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. It is unclear at this point whether the basic Mi Mix 3 phone will actually include the X50 modem or will require it to be attached to a phone as a backpack accessory, like Motorola's 5G Moto mod. Xiaomi's biggest hurdle in releasing a 5G phone is nascent stage of actual mobile 5G network that can be used with the device. Verizon launched a commercial but non-mobile 5G network in 4 US cities this month, and there are small test-scale networks in several other countries. While Chinese carriers and device makers have been testing 5G within countries' border for some time, no full-fledged 5G network is known to be operational there. The phone is expected to feature a 6.4-inch AMOLED display with a screen-to-body ratio nearing 100%. One can also expect an in-display fingerprint sensor following the footstep of Mi 8. Mi Mix 3 is also rumored to come with up to 18-watt fast charging support, though the battery size remains unknown. Also, various leaks indicate that the upcoming flagship phone could feature a retraceable module, which is most likely to house the phone's cameras. The headset is likely to feature dual camera setup comprising of 16-megapixel primary sensor and a 13-megapixel rear shooter. At the front, we can expect the phone to spot a 20-megapixel selfie camera. Though the previous certification via Chinese body 3C, Mi Mix 3 has spotted with different models, hinting at the possibility of 4 storage options. Other reports suggest that Mi Mix 3 could be priced at 3399 yuan, which is approximately equal to 36,000 Indian rupees for 6GB and 64GB internal storage. So guys, what do you think about the Mi Mix 3? Do you think this 5G modem and 10GB of RAM is a useful inclusion or just a gimmick? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.